Okay, hello guys. Today we will do the SAT questions for mathematics, but I'll start from number 24. Yeah. So let's do it now. For this for line H, the table shows three values of x and their corresponding value of y. Line K is the result of translating line H down 5 units in the xy plane. What is the x-intercept of line K? So line K is the result of translating. So it means we have to find the equation of line H first. Yeah. So the equation will be y equals to mx plus c. So we need to find the gradient first. The formula of gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we use the two values of xy, that is first and second. For y2, I use 160. For y1, so 130. So 160 minus 130 over 23 minus 18. You can use a calculator to calculate this. So to be 6. Okay, this one. We have the gradient, and then we have to find the value of c. We substitute the first value of x and y to this equation. Yeah, so the value of y is 130. So I can write 130 equals to m. We get the value of m before 6 times x. The value of x is 18, right? Plus c. So 130 minus 6 times 18, 108. Equals to c. So 130 minus 108 is 22. So the value of c is 22. So the equation of line H is y equals to 6x plus 22. We get the equation of line H. Yeah, so it means the line K is the result of translating line H down 5 units. If down, so the value of y will be reduced 5 units. So the equation, it will be 6x plus 22 minus 5. So we get the 6x plus 17, right? This one is equation of line H after translate 5 units down. So let's go to the equation. What is the x-intercept of line K? If the x-intercept, we have to substitute the value of y equals to 0. So the x-intercept will be 6x plus 17 equals to 0. And then 6x equals to minus 17. And then the value of x equals to minus 17 over 6. That is. And then we get the coordinates is minus 17 over 6, and then the value of y is 0. That is. Okay. Next, number 25. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation y equals to minus x squared plus 9x minus 100 intersects the line y equals to c at exactly one point. What is the value of c? If there is a sentence exactly one point, so it depends of gradient. Exactly one point, it is this one. There is a quadratic equation, so I can draw minus x squared something to be like this, and then there is a line y equals to c is also to be like this. So it means this is touch exactly one point. Yeah, so it means the value of y in this equation, in this c, it is the turning point of the equation or the vertex of this quadratic equation. So we need to find the vertex or the turning point. How is it to find the turning point equation? So it means we can rearrange y equals to minus x squared plus 9x minus 100. We can find the turning point, the first solution, we can find the turning point, or we can use the discriminant. I'll explain, use the turning point first. If you will be find the turning point, so I can rearrange to be minus open bracket x squared minus 9x close bracket minus 100, and then completing the square, so to be minus x squared minus 9x x open bracket x minus 9 over 2. If the completing square form, so unit divided by 2 on the term of x. This one is half term of x minus 9, so unit divided by 2 and then square and then minus again with your answer 9 over 2, and then you have to square this and then close bracket minus 100. Equals to minus x. You can multiply x minus 9 over 2 square with the negative, so to be minus open bracket x minus 9 over 2 square, and then multiply negative with this negative, so to be plus 81 over 4 minus 100. So we can calculate 81 over 4. 81 over 4 minus 100 equals to minus 300, sorry, 319 over 4. So the value of C is the value of Y on the turning point. We have the turning point is 9 over 2 point minus 319 over 4. We have the turning point, the coordinates of the turning point. So the value of C is the value of Y on the turning point. What is the value of Y on the turning point? Negative 319 over 4. So that is the answer.